Alright, okay. So here we are, we're going to replace the screen on this Lenovo G780. It'll pop off a couple rubber, I don't know what you call these things, but spacer thing, or spacers with rubber bumpers. On this side, may or may not stick again later on. Pop this screw off here. And we need to get this bevel off here, so let's just actually, whoa. Get this to go without busting the thing. Of course, you don't want to break the bevel if you can. No electric tape won't fix. Yeah, we'll get it off of here without busting it. Oh! Just a bunch of clips that you gotta unfit. Nope, that's it. Hey, no busting. It's all in good condition. And then there's a couple screws here. We have them. I think that's all the screws we have to take off. I don't know if we have two here. So we take off these 4 screws. On this side. Okay, and then there's 1 more on this side, same thing. Okay. And then that loosens up, and then at the back here, there is a cable that you have to disconnect. And this one, ribbon cable, right? Yeah, it's a ribbon cable. I think it just pulls off in this direction. Just a sludger. Oh yeah. Like that. Looks like it's taped onto the plastic thing here, so I gotta remove the plastic. Okay, and that's the old one. Boom. All right. Or video. I should have closed the door. Oh well. Okay. Alright, so I got the connector clipped in. Just put it back down on here like that. Put it in. Set this back into place again. And then probably before we put the screws back in, we should power it up to see if it works. There it is.
It's good so far. And
booting it in. Bring the screws back in again.
putting the 4 screws back in on each side.
Wrong screw. Helps if you get the right screw.
Yay, looks good.
It's less glare. I don't know why they go for glossy, to be honest.
I wonder if well, it doesn't seems like it's fine from the angle, the viewing angle.
Yeah.
The mess.
One side. Okay.
Two corner screws.
Mm-hmm.
Now the bevel. Is there a trick to this? Do you start on the top generally, or
No.
no? Just snap it in?
Yep. Hopefully it'll go back into place.
Bevel's all snapped in, and then just those two screws.
Yep, the two screws and then the bumpers.
Oh, bumpers. Oh, right. And those bumpers just go up against the main body.
Yeah, they're mostly just cosmetic.
Yeah.
To hide the screws. You might provide some protection. I guess there's sort of these bumpers like that.
Wonderful.
Just checking the bevel all the way around to make sure that it's still snapped there. On the bottom. Yep. And good.
Yay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.